Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about goto statement, part of programming in C course. The goto statement in C is a control flow statement that allows you to transfer control to a labeled statement within the same function. The basic syntax of the goto statement is as follows. Here, the goto statement transfers control to the labeled statement. The goto statement can be useful in certain situations, such as breaking out of nested loops or exiting a complex control flow. However, it can also make code difficult to understand and maintain. Therefore, it is generally considered best practice to use structured control flow statements such as if, for, while, and do while rather than goto statements. Here is an example of using goto statement to break out of a nested loop. In this example, the program calculates the multiplication table of 1 to 10 and prints the result. When the multiplication of I multiplied by j is 50, the program jumps to the end of the nested loop, and the label end is reached and the message is printed. It is important to use goto statement with caution, since it can make the code difficult to understand and maintain. Also, it is important to have a unique label name in the program so that the control can be transferred to the correct location. It is not recommended to use goto statement as it can lead to spaghetti code and it is difficult to understand the flow of control in the program. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.